Hello, in this video I will show you how to get a free VPN. Now the VPN that we are going to use is called Super VPN, and the icon for Super VPN will look something like this. So it's a free application. All you have to do is simply download it, and then you don't even need to create an account in this application. And after the application is installed, it will look something like this. Now there will be limitations because you're using it in the free version, so there will be only limited options. So these are all the options that you will get in this application. But all of them are completely free and you can use them for as long as you want. All you have to do is simply choose a place where you want to connect and then just simply click on connect. And now wait for a few seconds. And after the connection is done, it will look something like this, as you can see right over here. Now, to disconnect the VPN, just simply click on disconnect and the VPN will be disconnected. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.